Hi everyone, today we will be speaking about the March exam of 2021 AddMaths, the paper 2, last question, which is related to the kinematic. So this is the question number 12. All right, we are going to do this question because this time this question here of kinematic actually came out a little bit different than the previous year. So let's look at it. A particle P travels in a straight line so that t seconds after passing through a fixed point O, its velocity is given. When we have the velocity, and the question says, given that after leaving O, meaning to say when s is equal to 0, t is also 0, meaning to say when initial time, the s will be 0. Particle P is never at rest. Never at rest means we will never be 0. Find the distance traveled from 1 to 3. So if I want to find distance, I have to change all the velocity. For the first one, if I want to change it, it has to be integrate t over 2e dt. So I can take out 1 over 2e because this is a value. After I take out, I left t here, dt, and when I integrate, it will be 1 over 2e t squared over 2 plus c. So after that, substitute in your t equal 0, s equal 0, so that you will get 0 equal to 0 plus c, meaning to say your c will be 0. So in conclusion, we get to know that the displacement for the first one is actually t squared over 4e. Okay, because you have 2e times 2, and then plus c, which is 0. So this is during this timing, 0 to the 2 second. Then, if we look at the next one, also the same, I have to integrate e negative t over 2 dt in order to get displacement. So if I want to integrate this, differentiate the power, you will get negative 1 over 2, you divide the differentiate of the power. So you plus c, remember when you divide negative 1 over 2, the fraction, the denominator here, can bring it up. So s is equal to negative 2 e negative t over 2 plus c. So in order to find this c, it's a little bit tricky here. So to find c, this c is start after t equal to 2. So meaning to say, I have to find out when t equal to 2, what is the s? So I have to use the first equation because when t equal to 2, it is using the first equation here. So t equal to 2, s is equal to 2 squared over 4e, giving you a 1 over e as the displacement. So meaning to say when t equal to 2, s will be equal to 1 over e. You have to substitute inside to get the c. So in order to do that, 1 over e equal to negative 2 e negative 2 over 2 plus c. Cut this off. So I will get something like that, 1 over e minus 2e negative 1 plus c. Instead of write 2e negative 1, I can write it as a fraction, minus 2 over e plus c. So I bring it to there. Automatically, I know that my c is 1 over e plus 2 over e. Because of fraction is same, I mean the denominator is same. Basically, you can just add them up. So you get 3 over e. When you get everything on, you can say that your displacement is actually minus 2e negative t over 2 plus your c, which is 3 over e. So the question says I have to find the, the distance between 1 and 3. So I apply the formula t equal to 1. I substitute to the first formula. S will be 1 squared over 4e, giving you, let me use my calculator, giving you something like this, 1 divided 4e, 1 divided 4e, e power 1. So I should be getting 0.09197. And when t equal to 3, I use the second equation, minus 2e negative 3 over 2 plus 3 over e. So what would my e be? What will be my s be? Plus them up, and Yeah, so I get 0.6574. So in total, I want to find from 1 until 3. From 1 until 3 meaning to say I don't need the first second. I want from the first second until the third second. So meaning to say when I have a particle moving, when t equal to 1, it is s equal to 0.09197. But when it reaches t equal to 3 seconds, the displacement is 0.6574. So how much does this particle actually move? I have to find out by minus them. So 0.6574 minus 0.09197 to get the answer. Okay, so I minus it and eventually I will get 0.5654 as the final answer. So that's all for today about this kinematic question. I wish you all the best in your coming exam and thank you for listening to this short question discussion. Bye.